Welcome to part 2 of Create an Animation in Scratch. For those of you visiting via the internet outside of the classroom, this video will be referring to a project page, a planning page that I created to help my elementary students sort out the story for their animation. If you would like a blank copy of that for your own use, you can get that at my classroom website, which is right here, beskid.pbworks.com, and down in the For Everyone section of the front page you'll find Learn to Program with Scratch. And for now, right in the very top of the table there, you'll find Create an Animation, and this link right here will take you to a blank copy of the project planner in PDF form, which you can download, clicking the download button, and it'll look like that. So that's available for your use if you like. If not, you can plan it in many other ways. But I'll be referring to this document throughout the remainder of this series. Okay, speaking of which, I have a sample all ready to go here that I would like us to take a closer look at. This is what part 2 is all about, is creating your plan. You have picked 2 backdrops already, and decisions need to be made now. Which one will become scene 1? Which one will become scene 2? And also, which sprite will be playing the part of sprite number 1, and which will be playing the part of sprite number 2. You want to write those names into those spaces on the planning page. Next, in scene 1, it's important to note that sprite 1 is by his or herself and is speaking alone. So you cannot have that character asking the other character directly a question or something like that. It's important to note that in scene 1, sprite number 1, in my story, the prince, is all by himself. Scene 2 begins with sprite number 2 all by herself, the princess, and she's singing her song, does her little dance. Scene 2.2 is the part of scene 2 where the prince enters the scene and then he has something to say right here. So you'll notice everything the prince says is in the first column. Everything the princess says is in the second column. After he says something to her entering the party room, then she has something to say back to him, and that's written here. So filling out this page may help you keep your project organized, and I will be referring to each of these scenes, scene 1, scene 2.1, scene 2.2, and scene 2.3 throughout this series of videos. So hopefully that will give you a tool that will help you stay organized, and you can concentrate on creating some good code and a very fun story animated in Scratch. Good luck, and we'll see you in part 3.